Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a crystal red 2015 Chevrolet Equinox LT, stock number 17B201A. This is in excellent shape. You've got factory fog lights. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings along the hood. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 17-inch Michelin Latitude tire. Inside there's a black leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. You do have seating for 2 in the front row, and you got seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Equinox. And we'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have a backup camera here. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. You do have a power liftgate here as well, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk closed. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Pioneer Premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments. Stepping inside, on the left side of the steering wheel, there are cruise control buttons. On the right side, you've got audio controls. Above the rear view mirror, you have HomeLink garage door opener buttons, and this is also equipped with OnStar. There's a great touchscreen display here. You do have navigation capabilities and capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. There is a CD player and AM/FM radio. You have your audio controls here. There are your climate controls. You've got buttons for heated front row seating and driver information buttons. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and highway mileage that's going to get you around 29 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Equinox or to schedule your test drive, visit holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.